Welcome to ESOLish, English for Work and Life. Today we will learn about British values. Let's start.
What are British values?
British values are the rules that help people live happily and safely in the UK. Let's learn about the 5 British values.
Number 1. Democracy.
Democracy means people can vote and help make decisions. In the UK, people vote. Everyone has a voice. We choose our leaders by voting.
Number 2. Rule of law.
Rule of law means we all must follow the rules to stay safe. Laws are the same for everyone.
Number 3. Individual liberty.
Individual liberty means we are free to choose what we do. We can choose our job, clothes, and religion.
Number 4. Mutual respect.
Mutual respect means we are kind and listen to other people. We work together and respect everyone.
Number 5. Tolerance of different faiths and beliefs.
Tolerance means we accept people who have different religions and ideas. It's okay to be different.
Now, let's look at all 5 British values one more time.
Democracy. Rule of law. Individual liberty. Mutual respect. Tolerance of different faiths and beliefs.
Well done. Now, it's your turn.
Which British value is most important to you? Tell us in the comments.